Is your child safe on TikTok? Do they spend hours upon hours on TikTok, exposed to various inappropriate and dangerous videos on the app? If not, how could you ensure that what your child is watching is child-friendly? Thankfully, TikTok has a solution to your pondering problem. To set up this feature, open the TikTok app on your phone, then tap on your profile icon. Once you open your profile page, tap on the menu icon on the upper right corner and select Settings and Privacy on the mini pop-up screen. Next, you will need to press Family Pairing under the Content and Activities section, then press Continue. It will then ask if this account is for the parent or teen. We will start with the parent, then retrace our steps for the teen. Now you will need to scan the QR code to successfully link the two accounts. With your child's phone, repeat the same steps said previously. This time, the child will have a scanner icon. Scan the QR code with your child's phone to link the two accounts. Once the scanning is complete, press Link Accounts on your child's phone. A pop-up will then appear. Tap on Link to finish the process. Now you have successfully linked into your child's account, and you may adjust the settings to your likings. With its new feature, parents can set a limit on how long your children can be on the app and the types of content they can see. With the new parental control feature, you can adjust the time limit on the app's usage as well as set up an age restriction for your child. Options range from 13 to 15 and 16 and over. But if you're in the US, you may have an additional feature called TikTok for younger users. In this version of TikTok, users under 13 can only view the app and content targeted towards kids. They cannot make videos or make comments, and if the user in question is not under 13, their account will be taken down. Users around the age of 13 to 15 can make videos, but can only receive comments from friends in the app. Not only this, but they cannot download videos or make duets and stitches with other users. And finally, kids aged 16 or older use all features TikTok has to offer, such as live streams, duets, sending direct messages, and so on. However, they cannot send in gifts or receive any gifts unless they are the age of 18. But even with this age restriction, how could one ensure their child's safety within this app? This is where the parental control feature comes into play. Parental control contains control over screen time, age restriction, search, privacy, and safety settings. The controls work similar to Google Family Link, allowing parents to connect to their child's account. You do not need to download any additional apps to do this. However, this can only be activated through the app. Though the system is imperfect, TikTok has been trying to reshape its algorithm with content-level systems such like YouTube suggestion box to ensure that specific videos aren't shown. Here in Defend, we hope that this video gives you enough knowledge on TikTok's parental control and serves as a helpful guide on how to set it up. For more content like this, please subscribe to our channel and share this video around.